everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazmyn Divine, and today we're getting into my eyebrows. So I go ahead and use Anastasia Dip Brow to fill in my brows, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So yeah, basically I'm just outlining my brows after filling them in. This is the Wet n Wild brush. It's really janky, but it gets the job done. Any flat brush will do. So after I smooth it out, I go ahead and pull it down so that when I put my eye primer on, it kind of blends into my concealer. Same thing on the other side. Now, if you're wondering why I only put just a little bit on top of my eyebrows, I just don't like my eyebrows to be too light on top, but it's totally up to preference. So I do make a unibrow at first, and that's just to make sure that they line up, but I will blend it out later. So this is the second shade of concealer in Beautiful Bronze. It's just to make sure that everything's blended and not too light. And then this is just a fluffy brush that I'm blending with. And this is really important, just to make sure you don't have that unibrow. Make sure you just fluff and blend through the middle. And I go in with a second brush, a smaller brush, just to get really blended. Yeah. Ooh, okay. So now you're gonna see me go ahead and blend with my Real Technique sponge, and then that's gonna be the end of it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.